red. R-E-D, red. Red means lal. This apple is red in color. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Yellow means pila. Sunflower is yellow in color. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Orange means narangi. This marigold is orange in color. Blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Blue means Nina. This fish is blue in color. Pink. P-I-N-K, pink means gulabi. This teddy bear is pink in color. Purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Purple means bangani. This brinjal is purple in color. White. W-H-I-T-E, white. White means safed. This one is white in color. Brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Brown means bhura. This log is brown in color. Green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Green means hara. This parrot is green in color. Black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Black means kala. This dog is black in